why we come to these places. Hey, I don't know if you can see me, but welcome back to North Lake Photographic Workshops. Unbelievable, today is travel day. After a year, 2 years almost of postponed trips and things, I'm on my way to Iceland and Faroe Islands to lead a group. So I'm going to be taking you along with me, and I got to head over there and get checked in and get on the plane, but stick with me, all right? Detroit. Got a few hours layover here.
Viajando a Cancún, México, en el vuelo 619. Les pedimos que se presenten urgentemente en la sala de abordaje A6 para embarcarse al avión a Cancún.
Loud, loud, loud. So I'm sitting out here, the arrivals in Detroit. I've got, like I said, I got about a 7-hour layover. So a friend of mine, Millard, is coming to pick me up. I'm gonna take him to breakfast and see what we can get up to. So, here we go. Well, hey, that was a great afternoon. My friend Millard came to pick me up and took me home. We had some lunch with good friends, and gotta say, it's the best layover I've ever had. So, about to get on the train here and head to my gate. Minneapolis, here I come.
This is the North Station. Exit now for gates A56 through A78.
Minneapolis. 2 hours till Iceland. Welcome to Iceland. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning Iceland time, and I've just arrived here and I've passed through passport control, and I have my bags, and now I've got to wait a couple hours before I can check into my next flight on Atlantic Airways to the Faroe Islands. So stay tuned, people. Well, hey there. We're now in the Faroe Islands. You know, you saw the footage of landing and things, and then the logistics of getting everything together to get the people that were here already to the hotel. And then I had a meeting with Hans Hermansen here, who is the ex-chairman of the Whalers Association. You know, as of the time this video was made, there was a horrible disaster here in the grind, or the whaling that's done here in the Faroe Islands, which is, you know, one of my problems with the place. I love it here, and I love the people, and I love the culture, but I just don't understand, you know, a tradition that kills sentient creatures kind of thing. And anyway, so we had this conversation. They were very concerned about public relations, obviously, and it's been an event that has really shaken the Faroese population and somewhat divided them. So horrible event, but I think events like these are the kind of things that change things. And you know, I'd like to think that things are going to change here over the next few years. But anyway, that aside, I didn't want to get into that. I am here in the Faroe Islands, and as you can see, I've been upgraded. I've been coming here a lot of years and using the same hotel, and they've been very nice to me, and they added a new wing to the hotel, and I got a pretty nice space to be in. They comped me a nice space, upgraded me to a nice space, which is very kind of them. I feel a little guilty, but the other rooms in the hotel are very nice. They just don't have a party room, so I'm going to become party central, I'm sure. Anyway, I go to the airport in about an hour to pick up my partner, Kerik Kouklis, and right now I'm looking out over Tórshavn, the capital city of the Faroe Islands. I'll turn the camera around so you can see what I see in a little while here, and but it's beautiful. I mean, the weather's not beautiful, it's Faroese weather. You can probably hear the wind going right now, and it's raining a little bit on and off, but there's also spots of sun moving across the ocean, and it's beautiful. In my world, it's a beautiful day. But anyway, it's a little windy, and we're going to get out there. Tomorrow is the day that the trip actually officially starts, and I'll be picking up the rest of the people at the airport. So I'll start introducing you to people, that kind of thing. But for now, this is just kind of my first day in the Faroes. I slept a lot to acclimatize myself. I don't like to be on stateside time when I'm driving people in a van, and so I'm pretty much there. I'm ready to go. So you know, I'll show you around my room a little bit, and maybe around the hotel a bit, and you know, get ready for the big show is what I'm doing. So with that, hope you'll stick with me. So this is the nice room they've afforded me, which is beautiful. I've got a nice sitting room over here, and I've got a bar. I got the place where I set up all of my workstation, and I've got a nice little living room, and go into here, and I've got a really nice bedroom space and another TV, which is crazy because I'm really not watching any TV. And it's alright, my bathroom's a mess, but you can see that this is quite a nice space in comparison to what I'm used to on the road. So living like a king on this one. So hotel Faroe is a beautiful place, built in like a prairie style into the side of the mountain here, and it's really quite a special hotel. Grass roof, and when you're in the rooms, you feel like you're in a cave. It's silent, aside from the wind howling outside, but it's really quite a nice place. You feel like you're, you know, the only person in the world here. So let's get on and go outside a bit. Gotta head out to the airport pretty soon and pick up my partner. Hey there. On the way to the airport to pick up Kerik and Daniel Bayer. They are coming in today. The rest of the group comes in tomorrow. And I'm on the high road right now heading towards Vagar Airport. And I'm gonna have to put both hands on the wheel. It's pretty windy. Welcome. It's good to see you.
Dude, it's really good to see you. Likewise.
Can't believe it. It's been such a crazy time. Let's get out of the way here.
Yeah.
Was it a crazy landing?
Actually, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah, it didn't,
It was a little bumpy, but
from my vantage point, it didn't look too bad. There he is. So what was I saying? We should remember to pick people up at the airport tomorrow? I think it was more than that.
I don't know, man.
Uh-oh. I can't see. Did you see that truck just disappeared?
It's getting foggy.
Shit. As if it could. I forgot what I was saying. Doesn't matter then. But being about remembering something, I should... Oh, fuck. It's the rabbit again. Yeah, maybe I have to get some duct tape and tape that thing down.
No. I mean, it's too funny.
It really is. The ghost of the rabbit that I didn't hit. I don't think.
I should have had my map open the whole time to get situated.
Well, I don't know if you remember the last time there was the high road and the low road to where we went. We would take the high road most often because it was the most scenic. And if it was clear right now, it would be really incredible. Whoa! Yeah. This is why we come to these places. Well, I have to say that was quite a day. We definitely got better weather now. Everything last night got shut down because of the bad storm that came through here. Really high winds. The flights last night were canceled, and some of the people that were supposed to be in yesterday were able to come in this morning, and we've now gathered everyone. We unfortunately lost one person who tested positive for COVID back in the States, and good to know they're asymptomatic, but unfortunately they're not going to be able to join us. So in the morning, it all begins. I'm going to cut off here. We're going to start off with a new part tomorrow. We'll be taking both vans out with all of us. There's 9 of us now on the trip. We'll be going down to an old Viking cathedral south of here. We're going to be spending the morning there. We'll come back for lunch, and then we're going to head up to Tjornavik, a town in the north, which I'm told is becoming a very popular surf place because of the way the waves break in a very long way there. But it is one of my favorite places and a good place to start the trip. So bear with me. Thank you for watching this up to this point. I'm going to cut off here, and we're going to go on to part 2 of this trip, the actual trip. This has all just been the prep and the lead up. You can kind of see what happens in leading up to one of these trips. But anyway, I really thank you for watching, and I hope you'll stick around and look for part 2 when it comes out. All right? Take care of yourselves, and bye-bye.